Hey, if you want to optimize games for your GeForce graphic card, all you have to do is just to click on the taskbar in the right bottom corner on this arrow, and then on this NVIDIA icon, click with the right mouse button and select NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Now from here, you will have to actually select one of the following game. If for some reason you don't have here your game, you can click on this three dots in the right upper corner of this window, and you can click to scan for games and apps. Now, if you have back all of your games, let's try to optimize, for example, EA Sports FC24. Click on the left mouse button, and now click on this icon to custom settings. And now we can decide if you want to optimize it for performance or quality. So we can move it with the switcher, and below we can also find how the settings change. Let's say that I want to get it the best quality. From here we can also pick the display mode and the resolution. Now click to apply and tap to optimize button. And after this you can go back, and when your game is optimized, you will actually get this switcher in the left upper corner of each game. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.